This video is about resonance. Resonance is the dispersal of charge over multiple atoms. This is one of the most important concepts in organic chemistry. Resonance is a key source of stability in charged molecules. This has a direct consequence on the reactivity of said molecules. As we'll recall, the less stable something is, the more reactive it is. Another key thing to remember is that resonance structures are not real structures. They are extremes of where the charge can be. The reality is that when you draw resonance structures, the real structure will be an average of all your resonance structures. So in this example shown, in fact, there is partial charge on both oxygens instead of a full charge on a single one. This is what makes it stable. We must understand that the average is the true structure. Finally, for resonance structures, only the electrons can move. If atoms move, it is not resonance anymore. It is just an equilibrium between structures. For example, in this molecule, the hydrogen is moving. There's no charge. Therefore, it is not a resonance structure. These two structures are theoretically distinct.